Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change profile picture on Snapchat. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply click on the profile picture or Bitmoji at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply click on the Bitmoji, and after this you can just simply edit your Bitmoji. You can just simply change the fashion of your Bitmoji. You can change shirt, trousers, or shoes. And the other way is you can go back and you can change selfie by tapping on selfie. And this is the way you can change profile picture on Snapchat or edit the Bitmoji. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.